Okay, so here are the three things that I want to go over. Number one, I talked to the programming guy today, and he basically says that we cannot use this black space to the right of the thing. He says it's all part of the player. Okay, the space. So what I'm asking is if this is a graphic, this white thing around the edge, and the programming guy asked me to get the designing guy to give him a graphic that's not white around the edge. I don't like this white around the edge. So can you guys talk and figure it out? And the other thing is if we create this graphic that has a indentation here, I want to be able to use this space to make it clickable. And so, let's have the edge of the browser. It just, I don't know. The reason why is I look at it on a big monitor like this, and the black space is really, really noticeable and big, as you can see. So I'm naturally saying, geez, I should use this space. But I'm not even on that big a monitor. I'm on a 21-inch monitor. But if you scale it back down, it's not such a big deal, I guess. But it just seems to me I do want to have a set of buttons down here. And so why can't the graphic of the player look, you got close there, and I realize that the player goes left and right, but why can't this edge be thicker? So, but what we're going to do is we're going to move ahead with the version we got now because I'm out of time. So, but the question is there any way of being able to make, by making the graphic of the player bigger, graphic going around, can we make the panel bigger on the right? The other thing is the number two is the programming guy needs to teach Jose how to create the links now. So Jose's a big boy. He knows how to make HTML links and get embed code. So you need to teach him so he can go into Shearwater Sailing and basically load in the videos and and put these hyperlinks into these where these when you click on that it takes you to a page theoretically. So so that has to happen. You got to teach Jose, and then and you guys go ahead and do that. But on the designing guy, one of the issues I got is there's too many colors here. So number one, this info button might as well just make it green so it's not standing out so bad. And as for these, it looks like a lollipop store, right? And I'm not even sure if that yellow button, yeah, it is yellow. So the designing guy, you have to pick 3 different colors that don't. This looks like a little kid's thing. Like it's got all these bright colors and everything like that. And we know where this is being moved down here, and it's not red. But you select 3 other colors that would fit in with this decor, and we'll revamp this. And then we'll give the new colors to the buttons, and then we're basically done. If the programming guy, if you can remember, I kind of asked this a few times, close, but we need an X because some people don't speak English and they all understand an X. So so that's good enough. So what we're going to do on a recap of that is we're moving ahead where you're going to teach Jose how to create the embed links, the HTML links, and the designer guy is going to work on making a player that goes around it, and also reworking the colors. And then the back end, I'm going to work on a spec on that. But basically, just all it's going to do is it's going to allow us to go in the back end and put in this name and put in where the embed code for that, and more info. That's an HTML link to the guy's website. Book it, HTML to the guy's website, and obviously this, and that's it. So, and also it's got to tell click to call happens from 9 in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So we will have 2 different versions of the video. And so the back end of the database, you've got to be able to say what time zone you're in and what time you want click the call to happen, and that's pretty well it. I'll spec it out and send you a link in this document here, but that's about it for now. Thanks.